Hello, friends. Welcome out to the Options Report. This is Tyler reporting in. Pretty good week on Wall Street last week. Market bounced. Volatility came in. Now things get a little bit interesting, right? Anytime the market's oversold, the rubber band is stretched. We usually anticipate we're going to get some type of snapback. We got that this week. Markets recovered to the upper end of their range. So the S&P is now at resistance. Now we really see what kind of strength the bulls have, right? Kind of an oversold bounce is a given. So the easy part of the pop is done. Now it gets a little more challenging, right? We see if buyers continue to push their advantage, press their advantage, right? So earnings will probably set the tone. You know, if we get a lot of good earnings announcements and a lot of good positive reactions, that could help propel the market back up to its old highs. I like the fact that oil is strengthening. Energy stocks had a nice jump this week. Small caps were able to break above their 50-day moving average. So there's definitely some constructive things going on. Now we see if this can continue. So that's what I'll be watching for this week, seeing how we deal with overhead resistance. I have waded back into the waters, and I have a little more exposure now than I used to. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking this week. So I got three things we're going to talk about in the next video. 3 picks. We're going to go through the NASDAQ, biotech, and XOP. We're going to build some trades on those. So see you in the next video.